The text you shared highlights a fundamental, albeit unsettling, truth about our daily lives: the illusion of the clean bed. We spend roughly a third of our lives asleep, wrapped in layers of fabric that we trust to comfort and protect us. Yet, as you rightly pointed out, a bed that simply looks clean is often harboring a hidden, microscopic ecosystem. When we fail to wash our sheets regularly, our beds transform into a collection zone for the constant biological shedding that occurs every single night. Expanding on your highly accurate points, let us dive deep into the science of bedroom hygiene, the biological realities of what happens when we sleep, the profound impact this has on our health, and the ultimate roadmap to reclaiming your sanctuary for optimal rest. The hidden biological accumulation. To truly understand why unwashed bedding is so problematic, we have to look at what the human body does during the night. Even if you shower right before your head hits the pillow, your body does not simply pause its natural processes. Every single night, you shed millions of dead skin cells. In fact, humans shed about 500 million skin cells a day, and a significant portion of that sloughs off while we toss, turn, and rub against our sheets. In addition to skin cells, our bodies continuously produce sweat and sebum, body oils. Even in a cool room, the average person sweats out roughly a cup of moisture every night. This moisture wicks into the fabric of your pajamas, your sheets, your pillowcases, and eventually deep into your mattress. Add to this the natural oils from your hair, remnants of skincare products, saliva, and whatever microscopic particles you brought into the bed from your daily life, and you have a potent biological cocktail. Over time, this buildup transforms crisp, clean sheets into a heavy, saturated environment. The dust mite dilemma. Microscopic roommates. All of this biological shedding serves a specific purpose.
¿Sabías que en nuestro colchón se acumulan millones de ácaros? Límpialo de manera rápida y natural aplicando un solo ingrediente que tienes en tu cocina.
Dust mites are microscopic arthropods that thrive in warm, humid environments, making the human bed their absolute ideal habitat. They do not bite, and they do not carry diseases in the traditional sense, which is why their presence often goes completely unnoticed. However, the danger lies not in the mites themselves, but in their waste. A single dust mite can produce up to 20 fecal pellets a day. These microscopic droppings, along with decaying mite body parts, contain a specific protein that is a highly potent allergen for humans. When you roll over in bed, you kick these microscopic particles into the air, inhaling them deeply as you sleep. For those with sensitivities, this triggers an immediate immune response. If you wake up feeling worse than when you went to sleep, battling morning congestion, a runny nose, a scratchy throat, sneezing fits, or puffy, watery eyes, you are likely experiencing an allergic reaction to the dust mite debris accumulating in your mattress and pillows.
Waking up congested, sneezing, or puffy eyes? It could be dust mite exposure. They're invisible. They live in your mattress, pillows, even your air. They feed on dead skin and trigger allergy symptoms while you sleep. But there is a way to fight back. Wash bedding in 130 degrees Fahrenheit, plus or hotter. Use dust-proof covers. Run a HEPA air purifier 24/7.
Facial breakouts, or unexplained skin irritation, your sheets and pillowcases might be the primary culprit. Pillowcases, in particular, absorb a massive amount of oil and sweat from your face and scalp. When you sleep on the same unwashed pillowcase night after night, you are continuously pressing your pores into a layer of oxidized oils, dead skin, and bacterial overgrowth. This can lead to acne mechanica and exacerbate conditions like eczema or rosacea. Furthermore, fungal spores naturally settle in our homes. Studies have shown that synthetic and feather pillows can harbor anywhere from 4 to 16 different species of fungi. While a healthy immune system can typically handle this, breathing in high concentrations of fungal spores night after night can aggravate respiratory issues and disrupt sleep quality. The psychology of a clean sleep environment. Beyond the physical health implications, the state of your bedding profoundly impacts your psychological readiness for sleep. The brain relies on environmental cues to initiate the wind-down process. When sheets are saturated with old sweat and oils, they lose their breathability. They trap heat, causing you to sleep hot and wake up frequently, severely diminishing your time.